Label compliance directly determines legal exposure and whether pest control treatments succeed. When technicians follow label directions precisely, they reduce legal risk and improve field effectiveness because labels are legally binding documents that specify target pests, rates, application methods, personal protective equipment, and environmental restrictions. Read every label before any job and treat the label as the primary recipe for mixing and applying product. If the label calls for a specific dilution, measure volumes with calibrated devices rather than estimating by eye. Maintain a training program that includes hands-on demonstrations of label-required techniques, 14-day refresher checks for critical staff, and competency sign-offs so everyone understands why certain surfaces, weather conditions, or non-target areas are restricted. Keep a living compliance log for each treatment that records the label version used, lot numbers, concentration mixed, applicator name, weather notes, and photos when relevant so you can defend choices if regulators or clients question a job. Monitor local and state regulatory updates because some states impose additional buffer zones, endangered species restrictions, or reporting requirements that override older label practices. When labels conflict with local law, follow the more restrictive requirement and consult the product registrant or state regulator for written guidance before proceeding. Common mistakes include ignoring label updates, which can leave you applying products at incorrect rates and facing fines. Correct that by subscribing to manufacturer update feeds and scheduling quarterly label reviews. Another frequent issue is inadequate technician training that leads to improper mixing and exposure risks. Fix this with structured hands-on training, checklists, and documented competency assessments. A third problem is poor on-site documentation, which makes it hard to demonstrate compliance after a complaint. Solve this by using simple treatment sheets completed at the time of service and storing them centrally with date-stamped photos and signed applicator acknowledgement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users and professionals can exchange practical compliance tips and treatment experiences. We help contractors find work by letting them showcase services and respond to homeowner questions so everyone benefits from shared knowledge.